Oh, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to integrate Printify with your Wix store? This video will guide you throughout connecting Printify to your Wix websites so you can start selling custom products effortlessly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all, I will need you guys to go ahead and open Wix. Go to your site and click Select and Edit Site. Now, from Wix, there is a possibility that you will be able to find Printify in the apps area. So let's go check it out. Apps, Manage Apps, and basically you can go directly to App Markets. From there, you simply have to search for Printify, and there it is. So now, once you have found it, as you can see, Printify requires you to install Wix stores. So let's install it first. Click on this link and let's install Wix stores. Add to site and wait until it loads. Here, almost there, head over to the editor to place Wix stores on your site or manage it from the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. And just like that, Wix store has been added and we are good to go. So here it is, everything's good. Let's go back to the apps and go to App Marketplace again. Let's search for Printify once more. Here it is. And as you can see, now there is this option or this condition. Before you can use Printify, please place Wix stores in the editor and save your site. Because the first time that I've created the store, or basically my website, it wasn't like made for commerce. It's basically a blog. So we need to add store section in our website. So now what I'm gonna do is simply wait for the page builder to load, and now they are adding the checkouts and orders, and they will be adding cards, etc., login, and plenty of things. So let's wait a little bit, and there it is. So as you can see here, it's already been added. Here we have the card. Let's move it around. We can put it right here, or you can just move it to another area. It depends where you want to put it. So here we have the store. It's perfect. I think it's a little bit laggy for some reason, but that is not an issue. So here it is. Now this is the store. I'm gonna click on publish, and yeah, with that's being done, let's refresh. And once it is done, normally it should be working now. And wait a little bit longer, and yep, here it is. So now I'm gonna click on add to site, and by clicking on it, they will take us to Printify. Now you have to log into your account on Printify. Click on login using Gmail if you have, and then simply log into your account. Now select store that you want to connect to. Here I'm going to choose tutorial, connect, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give it some permissions, so it's allowed to manage orders, manage products, and read basic sites and business information. So agree and add. And the store has been already connected. So let's try something else. It might even be already connected. Yep, here it is. This is a new one. Alright, that's perfect. So here, just like that, we have successfully connected Printify with your Wix store. Now to the editing, and what can we do now? Let me just show you real quick. So this is basically Printify. If you clicked on open, they will take you here where you can create products. Printify is basically a platform that will help you to do print on demand. Print on demand, basically, instead of buying clothes yourself and printing them yourself, what this company will do, once you get an order, so you will do the design here on the platform, so you can create here. Let me just go to products, my products right over here, as you can see, and basically here you will be able to create a product, as you can see. So here you can find my product, it requires, etc. So let's go here to this product that I have here already, and let me edit it. For example, here I have this book design, and basically here you can, for example, do editing on this book, do some kind of cover design, edit stuff, move stuff, add pictures, you move it as you want. And basically this is gonna be very helpful for you to basically stand out in the business. They have everything here for you to actually edit the book, have a design for it. You can even download design templates if you want, and basically this will be appeared in your store. Once people like the design, it's not supposed to be only a book. You could choose like t-shirts, helmets, caps, shoes, phone cases, hoodies, sneakers, anything. Anyway, once people go to your store and likes it, well, they will order it. And then this company, Printify, is gonna start printing the design that you wanted on that specific thing that you basically the client wants. For example, on hoodie, they will just take your design and print it on that hoodie and send it to your client. So you only care about making the design and basically getting clients, and they will do both the delivery and the design and basically buy the materials and everything for you. So they do the hard job and basically only have to get the client, which is the most essential thing, of course. If we think everything aside, yeah, of course the actual thing, the actual hard thing is to get the clients, but otherwise the lifting, the materials, etc., you are not gonna pay anything for it. You're just gonna take a margin. So the margin benefit is all yours. So this is how it works. Now, what's about the connection between Wix and Printify? What it does exactly is basically all the products that are in here, you can simply just put them inside of your Wix store, and basically people can buy from Wix and the orders will directly be sent to the Printify, and basically they can send it. So it's very good. Even now when I click on visit store, they taken me to the Wix website that I have. So this is very good thing that we have added. And yeah, for all those people who want to start print on demand, Printify is your way to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There is some couple of things that you need to actually understand before we finish with this video. Is there is a couple of things that you need to make sure is try to read the Printify Premium options which they will give you, exactly, because there is a couple of things that might help you, like having a limited product design, and try to get into the Wix Premium plan so you can understand everything in details. In case you need some tools in future, you will have the premium plan for it so it can be used. And yeah, that was it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. Thank you, guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.